Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. I am so excited that you guys are here today. I'm going to start posting here every week, so stay tuned for some more videos. It would be great if you could subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Once you subscribed, go ahead and head on over to my Instagram account. I have linked it down below in the description. It's at Corinne Matthews. I'll put it here right over here on the screen. So go ahead and give me a follow. It'd be nice to see you guys there. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the new 24-inch silver iMac with the M1 chip. I am so excited for you guys to see this, so stay tuned. Before we get into the video, I just want to know, if you got to choose any of the colors of the new iMac, which one would you choose? Leave a comment down below. So let's get to the unboxing. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the accessories that are included. Take out the Magic Keyboard and then the USB-C to Lightning cable that they gave us. Then there's also just the power adapter. So this iMac does come with a power adapter with an external power brick. And the last included accessory is the Magic Mouse. And so because I did get the silver version, there is actually only one sticker compared to if you get like the blue or the pink or the purple, you will have two-tone stickers. You'll have two different stickers with two different colors. So that is it. There's actually nothing else in the box. We just took out all of the accessories. Moving everything aside, let's take a look at the iMac. So here are the accessories. We have the power cord with the power brick, and it's actually a braided cable. So it's really, really nice quality, all of the accessories that they're giving us. As you can see, it's pretty long too. It's very long, it's really nice. And this is the MagSafe charger. So they're not actually calling it MagSafe, but it's really, really similar. So it looks really, really sturdy. I'm excited to see how it's going to connect to the actual iMac, but as you can see, and everything is color matched. So the braided cable is silver, and even the little bit is silver also. So next we have the power adapter. So this cord is actually not braided. It's an interesting choice that they decided to do this. And this one is considerably shorter, but this just attaches into our power brick and plugs into the wall. As you can see, the power brick that I have here does have Ethernet because this is the second model. It is not the base model. So this is the $17.99 model of the iMac. And then following that, they do give us a Lightning to USB-C cable, and again, it's braided. So it feels really, really nice. Does not feel cheap at all. Just a regular standard Lightning to USB cable to charge the Magic Mouse and the Magic Keyboard. So next we do have our Magic Keyboard, again with the Lightning connector cable port. And I do have the version with Touch ID that is right here. So you can use Touch ID to unlock and lock the iMac. Lastly, what we have here is the Magic Mouse. So This one does look really similar to previous versions, but they have updated a little bit because they gave us the 2 guardrails that are right at the bottom that have more of like a plastic feel to them. Unfortunately, the charging port is still on the bottom, so you will not be able to use the mouse when you are charging it. And it is just really, really pretty again, silver to match the color of the iMac. So that is it for the accessories. Let's take a look at the actual screen. So let's take the plastic protectors off of the screen. I want to see this. So that does feel really, really nice. And there's the hello, just like on all the other iMacs. They actually decided to put a really, really big Apple logo on the back of the computer. And they put a separate piece of plastic right underneath. So to take this off, so as you can see, they put a really, really big Apple logo here at the back of the computer. And it looks like it's made out of plastic. And now let's get to taking off the screen protector. So there is just one more thing to take off here that just protects around the edge of the screen. It's actually really long. They put one whole piece of plastic. And there you go. Here's the new iMac. So this computer is really, really thin. It is only 11.5 millimeters thick. You can't even plug in a headphone jack. That is why they needed to come and put the headphone jack on the side right over here. So the machine is really, really beautiful. As you can see on the back, I do have the 2 USB-C ports and the 2 USB-C to Thunderbolt ports as well. And there's the power button. So it's really, really simple. There's not much on this machine. So if you do want to plug in SD cards, USB-A, you will need dongles to be able to do that. So let's go ahead and plug this in and get the iMac set up. I do have the cable right here, and it does work with magnets, so it should just self-align and snap in. Exactly. Sound is so satisfying. And it's actually pretty hard to take out. So if you do trip over the cord, it really does need a lot of force to come out of the machine. So let's talk about the color. I decided to choose the silver because it's very universal, will match in any room. But look, it just looks so pretty. And the front is actually one sheet of glass. So I did think this was going to be some type of metal, but it's not. It's really one sheet of glass and it's glossy at the bottom. So in this iMac, they decided to put some Dolby Atmos speakers. So there are 6 speakers that are down facing in this machine. So it should give you very, very good sound in a room. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope everyone enjoyed me unboxing the new 2021 silver iMac. I had a lot of fun doing this. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe. Also, you can click the notification bell to know the next time that this channel will upload a new video in the next few weeks.